Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery terminal before you begin work on a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Drain coolant into a 5-gallon 19L container by opening the lower radiator drain and the engine block petcock if present. Label and bag electrical connectors and clips to keep parts organized. Wear eye protection and nitrile gloves to avoid burns and contamination when handling hot fluid or sharp sheet metal. Have a jack and start removal by removing the front bumper fascia and splash shield to access the radiator and condenser area. Use trim tools to avoid breaking clips. Disconnect the upper and lower radiator hoses and the transmission cooler lines if equipped, capturing residual fluid with a drip pan. Remove the cooling fan assembly if it obstructs access, then unplug the fan electrical connector. Unbolt the radiator mounting brackets and lift the radiator straight up to remove, taking care not to snag the condenser or C lines. Lower the new radiator into place, ensuring the drain petcock faces down and the transmission cooler fitting seat correctly. Install and tighten mounting bolts evenly to 18 FTLB, 24 Nm. Reconnect upper and lower hoses, transmission cooler lines, fan connector, and reattach the splash shield and bumper fascia. Refill the cooling system with the specified coolant to the full mark, about 10 liters, using a funnel to reduce spills. Bleed air from the system by running the engine to 100 degrees C and opening the bleeder screw until a steady flow of coolant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.